Hello students, here we have come with one more solution of one more chapter of grammar. The chapter is third, that is singular and plural nouns. Okay, so we will be discussing about the exercises that are given in this chapter, that is singular and plural nouns, and we will be discussing the exercise with two examples each, and I want all the students to do it accordingly and complete your exercise. Now exercise A in singular and plural noun is, right, the heading says write the correct singular or plural forms of these nouns. Now there is a table given, and in that table some words are given, nouns are given. Some nouns are singular, some nouns are plural. If singular noun is given, we have to write the plural form of that, and if plural noun is given, we have to write the singular form of that. Okay, I have just solved two examples. One is solved in the textbook and I have solved one more. So on the basis of this you can solve the rest of them. The first one is, it is given coat, and the coat is in singular form, so the plural form of coat is coats. Okay, so according to the rules that we had discussed in the earlier video, accordingly we have to add an s and coat will become a plural, that is coats. Now women is given there, the plural form is given women, we have to write the singular form of this. So women is in plural form, what is the singular form? Woman. Okay, so the singular form of women is woman, and that is the answer that we have to write there. In the same way, you have to see which form is given and you have to convert it into which. If plural is given, convert it to singular. If singular is given, convert it into plural, and in that way you have to solve the whole exercise. Now let us go to the next exercise, exercise B. Let me read the heading for you. Fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns in the brackets. Okay, that is, fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns in the bracket. Blanks are given, there is a bracket that is given after every blank. It is in singular form. You have to convert that singular form into plural form and fill the blanks. Okay, I repeat, blanks are there, brackets are given after the blank, it is in singular form, you have to convert that singular into plural form and fill the blanks. Now two examples are solved here. The first example is, grandmother bought me dash for Deepavali. After the blank, the noun that is given is present. Okay, so the plural form of present is presents, and presents we will fill in the blank. So the complete sentence is, grandmother bought me presents for Deepavali. Okay, that is how we fill the answer. Let us look at one more example. We saw a few dash at the farm, and the noun given in the bracket is turkey. Okay, so the plural form of turkey is turkeys. The last letter is Y, but before Y it is a vowel, so we do not change Y into IES. If it is a consonant, then we will change Y into IES. So before Y the letter is a vowel, so we will not change, we will just add a S. So the plural of turkey is turkeys, and that we have to fill in the blank. So we saw a few turkeys at the farm. In this way you have to solve the other blanks also. Okay student, let us go to the third exercise. The heading of the third exercise reads, write the plural forms of the given nouns and make sentences with the plural nouns. A word is given, a noun is given, you have to convert it into plural form, and then you have to make sentences using the plural form of the nouns. Okay, two examples are done. The first one is blanket. Blanket is in singular, the plural of blanket is blankets. Now we have written blankets as the plural form, we have to make a sentence using blankets. Okay, so the sentence is, we use blankets in winter. Okay, now next one, next to solve example, sheep. The singular noun given is sheep, the plural noun of sheep is also sheep. Okay, so at the place of plural we have written sheep. Now we have to make a sentence using sheep. Okay, the sentence is, the shepherds take the sheep to graze. Okay, you can write any sentence. You can make your own sentence using sheep and you can write. Okay students, in this way you have to solve the other nouns also. You have to find the plural and make sentences of the plural noun. Okay students, so that's all for today, and this is how you have to solve the rest of the examples, the complete exercise, and you have to finish all the exercises of the chapter 3rd. Thank you students. Thank you.